again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I have got this mum's gel box. Oh my god, it is pink. Look at this, look at the lippy lips. And it's got on the side dollhouse. So this is September gel box. For anybody that's new, Gelbox, they ship internationally now, although they are a UK company. Every month is a different theme and you get a tutorial in the box, and also in the box you get everything that you need to complete that tutorial. So obviously this is a pink theme, so there's got to be something pink in here. So let's get it open and see what we got. I've also got a 15% discount code for Gelbox, guys. It'll all be in my description box with a link to the website. So let's have a snosy. Oh wow, look at that hollow. Ooh. Oh, this is different. We don't normally get all this. Oh wow, guys, this is so thin. You could encapsulate that in a nail. Look at this. That is definitely going in a nail, obviously. Wow, look at this. Right, let me get rid of some of this and then we can see what's inside it. So we've got the vinyl stickers. I'm not going to show you them yet till I've got rid of all this. Let me move this off to the side a minute, guys, because this is going to go everywhere. So we've got the Gelbox card. So this is their website there, and this is their sister brand. They sell all glitters and everything. I'll leave this website in my description box as well. So there's your little practice card, so you can have a little practice and you can write down here everything you need. Look at this old retro Nokia phone. Don't forget your nail appointment at gelbox.uk. And this looks like the tutorial. This is right up my street. So we've definitely either got a glitter or a glittery gel. What does that say? Dollhouse. We've got a little bowl. We've got drippy drips and another glitter or a gel. Right, so let's get stuck in, shall we? Oh look, we've got a pom-pom. Oh, we've got a fluffy pom-pom. A pink pom-pom to go on a nail. Look, I love that. That's so cute. Right, I'm going to stick that back in the pack for now. Right, let's move this box off to the side and I'm just going to start pulling things out one at a time, guys. Okay. Right, guys, I'm just going to leave this pink stuff because it's just everywhere. Right, guys, I don't know if this is a mistake or not. Let me bring you in a bit now. But I'll show you anyway. I've got another pom-pom. I'm pretty sure that's going to be a mistake and that you do only get one. Maybe you do get two. I'm not sure. So don't be disappointed if only one turns up, because I think it could possibly be a mistake. I'll find out whether you get one or two and I'll put it up on the screen. Anyway, we got two pom-poms so far. And then we have got some rings. I remember the first ever gel box I got had a ring in it. So let's have a look. So this one is just like, it's like little flowers, isn't it? All stuck together. Cool. And then this one has just got what looks like little crosses on it. And this one's all joined up stars. That'd be good for a galaxy themed kind of set. Right, and lastly we've got like a little pointy one. They're quite small as well, because my real hand is the same size rings as my red iguana hands, so I know that these are going to fit my red iguana. Perfect. Perfect. Love them. So we've got 4 rings and a pom-pom so far. Maybe 2 pom-poms. We haven't decided yet. Right, so these are the little pink bows that was on the tutorial there on that middle nail. Can you see the pink bow? Let me get my tweezers. So we've got we've got 4 bows. How cute is that? Look, they're not too big either. Let's have a look. Yeah, they're not actually too big. Put that on top of a nail. I like them. This is a cute box this month. Right, what else have we got? We got one of these last month, guys. These nail files are really, really good files. 80, 100. I think it was a 100, 150 last month, if I remember rightly. Really, really good files. And this is, I think they've got them on the sister website. The link will be in the description box. Right, so shall we get to the star of the show, which is the gels. So we always get 4 gels. Let's see what we got. Right, so let's have a quick look and then we'll swatch them. Guys, look at these. Every single one of them is pink. So we have got Ultimate Pink. Oh my gosh, look how bright this is. And guys as well, 20ml. Has anybody ever seen gel polishes in 20ml? Oh, hang on a minute. There's a little shard of glitter on that. I don't want that to go in my gel. That has got to have been the brightest pink I've ever seen. That is neon, neon, neon. Then we have got Barbie Bling. This looks nice. This is perfect timing because the Barbie movie just came out last month, didn't it? This is jam-packed full of, it's like a fuchsia fine glitter. I'm going to swatch these in a sec anyway, guys. Then we have got Naomi Pink, which again is a glittery one. So this one is full of, it's like a pink shimmer and a silver. That is so pretty. These are jam-packed as well. So these are not like toppers. These are full coverage. And lastly, oh my gosh, Dollhouse. Look at this. This is one of them that's like a pearly. Oh, can the camera pick that up? Yeah, it can. Look at that. It's like a pearly baby. Oh my gosh. Right, shall we get these swatched? Let me just clear my table off. Get some swatch sticks out and we'll get them swatched. Right guys, I'm just going to swatch them in the order that I showed you, starting with Ultimate Pink. Oh my gosh. Guys, a lot of these colours now are available to purchase separately on their own. So if there is a colour that you really, really like but you don't want the whole box, go and check out the website and see if they're available. You can get tops and base coats and stuff now. They've added loads to the website this past month or so. Right, let's get these swatched. Gelbox gels as well. I love them because they are quite thin. I do prefer my gels thin, but they're so pigmented and opaque. Look at that. Super, super thin coat. Full cover. My gosh, that is bright. Oh, wow. With a bit of added fluff. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, next we're going to do Barbie Bling. These glittery ones, I am going to swatch them on the inside just because I don't like wasting top coat on swatch sticks, and these glittery ones, you do normally get a bit of a texture left behind and you have to kind of encapsulate them with a couple of layers of top coat. So I'm just going to do these on the inside. This is a beautiful colour. Yeah, it's got a small hex and an ultra fine in there as well. Oh wow, that is very pretty. Very sparkly. I like that it's not, I'm not a fan of holographic because it takes away the colour of the actual gel. Very pretty. Right, let's get that cured as well. And then we have got Naomi Pink. I think I'll swatch this on. Yeah, I'll do this on the inside as well, just so I don't need to top coat it. This is stunning. It's got a slight little pink hint, but it's full of silver shimmer. That is beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Right, and lastly, I think this is going to be my favourite. We've got Dollhouse. I think I've got a blue like this from Gelbox, and I remember when I swatched that blue, I said I would love a full collection of colours in this kind of gel. It's almost like a pearl, but it's a really pigmented pearl. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the effect on that. That is stunning. I love that. Right guys, I'm just going to get these all top coated and then we'll have a recap on everything that came in the box. Right, there we go guys, that is them all swatched. My lighting is not the best today guys. I need to have a fiddle about with my lights. It's because they've been unplugged and all the settings have been reset. But that pink is a little bit, this is so much brighter than what you're seeing on camera. These are absolutely stunning. I'm really, really happy with the colours. I think This is my favourite box for colours and accessories actually this month. So we'll have a quick recap of everything that came in the box this month. So we've got the little bows, we've got the pom-pom, possibly two, but I have got a feeling it's just the one. We got the rings. What else did we get? We got the nail file, and we got the vinyl. Do you know, I've kept every single vinyl sticker that ever came in these boxes. I've got a huge pile of them, and that is the tutorial. Do I stick with the tutorial or do I put my own twist on it? Let me know. I'm thinking I might stick this month. I love the drippy drips. Yeah, quite like that. Is that everything? Have I missed anything? No, I think that's it. Great box this month, guys. But anyway, that is going to be it for today. Keep an eye out over the next few days, and I will be doing a set of nails. It will either be this or something with my own little twist on it. But don't forget, I've got a 15% off code, links, discount codes, everything will be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.